This is an amazing tricks for Instagram user. In this video I'm gonna show you guys. So I'm Mohammed Sajid Hassan and you guys watching Sajidz Take. Before just watching that video, I request you please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to get all the notification in the future. And if you do so still now, so thanks a lot. Start the video. So here in that video I'm gonna show you an awesome thing that is in the story of the Instagram. If you are an Instagram user, that time you may use the story of that Instagram to use your show off your videos on the Instagram there. So and now here you can add some more features, additional features on that. So how you can do this, here in this video I'm gonna show you. So before just working on that, you need to update your Instagram account. Go to the Google Play Store, and if you haven't still now update your Instagram, then just update it there. And now after that, here you need to go to on the Instagram account of yours. So first of all, we need to go to in the your stories there to add my own story. And here it is guys, we are in the default mode, in the normal mode. Now we need to click on the create here. So here it is guys, I'm on the create, and here we get another new tab is there. So on that tab here you get something like that. So here if you want, then you can add your text are there. Suppose here I want to add a text called sajidz take. So here it is guys, I add my sajidz take is there, and here you can type here as anything as you wish, and you can also make it customize is there as you wish here guys. So I just click on the X button and just discard it to the back, and here it is guys, you will get another button is the GIF. So just switch it that on that, and here you will get all the GIF, and here I just search a GIF like love. So here it is guys, you will get a lot of GIF on that searching button is there, and here it is guys, you get a lot of search is there on that GIF. So if you want to select it, then you need to just select it there, and here it is guys, it's just selected it there as you wish. Now from here you can add a lot of GIF as you wish from here, and here you can also add your locations by just touching from the top to the bottom here, and here you can add your location, you can mention anyone hashtag, and from here you can also make some switching buttons are there, ask a question there as you wish, and how much it will be, and that this you can add here. So just go to the back from here and just make it discard is there, and here. So here it is another thing is the pull question. So I just take it on the switch it there, and here you will get the tabs are there. There you will get 3, 4, a lot of tabs are there to top here, and here you can just tap your accounts are there, and you can just type here those things are there. So you can also change it there by just clicking on that things, and here you can just add quiz questions are there like that, or you can make something like true false questions, and here you can quotation also added there as you wish here guys. So this is the things, and here it is another thing is that on that things the tab a question, ask a question in the yes or not. Suppose like that, here I just type here, do you like sajidz take, and here it is guys, it will be on the yes no question. If I want, then I can add it there. So here from you can add another is the questionnaire there, ask me a question is there, type something, and on that behalf it will be a question is there. So here is another thing is that here it is the counted time is there, that means it just count down my times is there one by one. And here the next thing is that the another questioning thing is the only one of this is true, and here you can add 2 questions, and from here from those 2 one may be right. This type of question from here you can, and here you can also change it like that. So by just clicking on that Ludo board you can just change it there. So here it is guys, by that this is the awesome tricks. And here is another thing is that you can change the background color by just clicking on that too, and here you can also change it there by just make some settings from here too. You can save those settings on the gallery, on the archive as you wish there. So here it is guys, this is the ultimate tricks for the my stories on the Instagram there that I show you guys, and that's really on the updated there guys. So I think it will be more interesting for you guys and you just enjoy about that things here guys. So I think it's really enjoyable for you guys. So guys, what's about you? Do you like the tricks? And if it's so, then I request you please like that video, share this video with your friends and comment below on this video guys. So no more today, I have to go for my next video. So till the end, take care, have a nice day and enjoy that new update on the Instagram.